everybody, Fast Eddie here in the Philippines. And Thursday morning, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Hopefully the rain holds off. I had a pretty good rain shower yesterday afternoon around quitting time. Made everything a mess. But after a day of digging on the pool, it looks like we have about it's got about a quarter of it down to 6 feet. Needs to be about 9 feet down there, but so we got a few more feet to do. The plan is to have a dump truck come in today, because we're pretty much done with this rock in the house. As you can see, we got a lot of big rocks there, so we're gonna have them load the truck up, and hired a couple extra laborers who were moving the stuff out by hand yesterday over to the side yard, and we're gonna have them haul the big rocks over and dump them in our goat farm there and tree lot, and then probably a few other loads there. I'm going to make like a parking pad out in front of our gate over there, and then I want to get some of it over to my in-laws' house. And they put Anapole on the main road coming in. It's a private road, but it's they put Anapole on it a couple months ago, but they didn't do the spur off of the road into Mama and Papa's house. So we're gonna see if we can't get some of the Santa Polo over there to do that for them today. All right, stay tuned. We got more coming up today. It's a big day today, big day. Got my beautiful wife there. She's making up the juice for the guys, Filipino style. You got to provide treats for guys. All right, guys, our dump truck is here. And he brought the 10 gallons of diesel, looks like, for the so here's the dump truck here, owned by the same company that owns the backhoe, which is kind of nice. Here we are loading up the truck. Yeah. And then men, I'll close gate. And then next time, right next to it. Yeah. Good morning. Another busy day.
Yeah, busy.
Good to see you.
Yeah. What's up?
dumping a couple of these loads up here towards the gate. Gonna try to build like a parking pad. It's got more dirt in it than I would like. I'd rather have the Anapola in it, but it is what it is, you know. It does have some Anapola in it. Good mix there, and nothing else is good topsoil, so the weeds will grow and the goats will be happy. Our rock pile here. They dumped 2 loads there so far with the truck. The rest of it was done by wheelbarrow, which is quite a bit. We probably should have put some of this up there in the probably should have put some of this up in the front there, but it is what it is. Wow, we got a lot of big rocks in there. Wow, look at that. Been out here hammering away all day. And now it's time to scoop it up. There's a lot of rocks there. Junior come around today or not? No? Alright guys, Thursday afternoon. Crew just left. And this is what we got. We got about 8 feet in the deepest part there. So we got a little more to go before we hit 9 feet. Actually, in probably 8 feet, will probably be fine. Well, I'm gonna let them go a little deeper because the pool is gonna be about 6. How much higher is the pool gonna be than the ground level? It's
9.
I know 9 feet deep, but our pool is gonna be raised up off the ground, right? So like 6 inches, 8 inches. The pool, the lip of the pool is above ground level, which is typical here in the Philippines. So. And I'm pretty good with that because somebody posted up a story where their pools, it was over by Wilcon, our friends there from Woodland who have property over there. Yeah, and it flooded over there, and the septic tanks and people's wastewater went into their pool. That sounds a little gross. So that will be a little bit higher. I don't think we'll have that problem over here. I don't see much flooding over here. But you never know what the future holds. So they are digging away. It's taking a little longer than we thought, but whatever. We're into it now, so you know, keep on digging, baby. Keep on digging. And we got a bunch of rock there. We'll probably hold off on the dump truck. Dump truck was here for half a day today, and then they'll come back probably Saturday. We'll have them dig some more. We got some good dirt out of here, so good Anapola dirt. Now that we're down in this stuff here, and for the road over at my in-laws' house. So when Papa Bertillo gets home from Cebu, he will see lots of, well, no, he won't. He'll be home tomorrow, but this weekend he'll see some dirt in his house. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.